Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I am touching the crack of this table. I know, listen, okay, we need to get something down here to make me look a little bit more presentable, but in the meantime, enjoy this crack. Does it make you feel weird? Because it makes me feel weird too. Anyway, I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. I am so excited that Glossybox sent me another box. Listen, I love doing these videos because I love slamming stuff on the table. So much, you have no idea, it gives me so much joy. Before we even get into anything and opening up this beautiful box that I smashed so hard on the table, if you're not familiar with Glossybox, let me tell you a little bit about it.
Glossybox is a beauty subscription box. Every month we deliver 5 hand-picked beauty products straight to your doorstep inside our iconic pink box. Expect a mix of makeup, skincare, fragrance, and hair care from a huge array of international beauty brands. Each box is always worth at least $60, so you can guarantee great value as well as something new and exciting each month.
Look how motherfucking beautiful this box is. Okay, first and foremost, I want to open this up. But I want to say thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this my way. I really appreciate it, and thank you for allowing me to be me. Now with that said, you know the drill. If you are interested in checking out Glossybox, you can get your first box for $16 if you use the code Teresa. Everything will be listed in the description box if you're interested in checking out this subscription box. Again, thank you Glossybox for sending this my way. Okay, yo. First of all,
this is fucking bananas.
Okay, maybe it's because this is hitting me in such a like, I don't know. I was feeling old the other day and I was actually thinking about my Walkman, which is really funny. The one time that I left it on the train, it was so pretty. It was Sony and it had like all these special buttons that were like preset to all my favorite radio stations. I'm a dumbass and I left it on the train. And I remember my cousin taking me to the Lost and Found and the MTA people laughed at me when I told them that it was missing. And they were like,
honey, you're never gonna get it back.
And you're right, I still don't have my fucking Walkman. Now with that said, this is giving me all the feels right now. So let's open this bitch up. Ooh. By the way, you're gonna hear a lot of police sirens. I live in New York. Exactly, okay. Let's open her up. Feels so sensual doing this. Ooh. The first thing you get up here, can we chill with the fucking sirens? All right, let's hold on because they are so loud. Okay, that took a long time. All right, anyway, so on the top of this Glossybox, you get this really cute little insert, which we're gonna open up in a little while. But this basically tells you everything that's inside the box and their retail value and all that good stuff. So we're gonna look at that later. I have misophonia. I'm gonna speed this part up because I hate when people leave this crinkling paper sound in their videos. I hate them so fucking much, and I would never do that to you guys. You know why? Because I'm fucking considerate. Remember that. All right, what do we have here? A lot of things that I don't know what they are, so I guess that's good, right? What? This is fucking dusty. What is this monstrosity? Wait, hold on, I need to get a tool. Wait a second. Hold on, let me dust this for fingerprints. Okay, wow. Let's just say that this has been in the warehouse for quite some time. Fuck, okay. All right, that's a great start. First thing is from Bella Pierre, and this looks like, I don't know what this looks like, but it's from Bella Pierre, and it's kind of dusty. So, love that. The next thing is this.
Wow.
Okay, so this is the box of dust for sure. Was this box in Pompeii? What the fuck? So the next thing is from a brand called SYS or SIS, and this looks like it is a moisturizing cream. The next product is from a brand called Lapcos, and this is their Pearl Brightening Sleeping Mask. The next products are from a brand called Natura. I think that's how you pronounce it, who knows? And this is a shampoo and conditioner. And last but certainly not least, I have this lip scrub from the brand Avant. All right, not gonna lie, the box was way cuter than the contents inside of it. So let's find out a little bit more about the products, because all I know is that they were pretty motherfucking dusty. Let's start with Avant. This is the Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. This retails for $71. $71? Get the fuck out of here. Okay. Anyway, so this is described as buff away dead skin cells to reveal soft, fresh, and youthful lips with this sugar scrub. You're telling me a sugar scrub is $71? I fucking seen it all. Okay. All right. And this is the full size, by the way. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Interesting. So the next product is from a brand called Sis, and this is their moisturizing cream. So this one is their prickly pear plus probiotic moisturizing cream. So this is a deluxe mini, and this retails for $19.99. But if you wanted the full size one, that does retail for $39.99. And basically this is described as prickly pear extract in this cream is the perfect addition to your daily skincare regimen. It'll leave your skin feeling smooth and super hydrated. I have been a dry boy, so I'm actually very intrigued to try something like this. So this, not mad about. Okay, so these two are a shampoo and conditioner combo from the brand Natura. How the fuck do you pronounce this? I think it's Patua. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering that. I know I am. Patura Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. So what does this look like? Oh, that's cute. Okay, like that's cute. Wait, where the fuck is the shampoo? Really? I hope you see that. Is it really that low? Wow. Oh my God. Okay. They didn't even bother to fill this shit up. Are you fucking kidding me? What is this? What is this bullshit? Aha. This one's a little bit more promising anyway. But this though, somebody drinking on the job? Come on, what the fuck? All right. Okay, so we have a shampoo and conditioner, and basically these are deluxe minis, so the actual set retails for $8, but if you want the full size set, it comes to $47. And I'm kind of curious to know that in the full size, if it's actually filled to the top, or if it's kind of like this 2/3 bullshit, but I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, this is described as a rich repairing shampoo and conditioner formulated with Patua oil from Brazil to strengthen, protect, and treat dry, damaged, and unruly hair. I'm on a journey with my hair, so I might as well try it and watch this actually be fucking amazing, and then be really pissed that I only got 2/3 of it. So I'm intrigued. Okay, so this dusty Bella Pierre thing. Apparently, this is a shimmering powder, and this is in the shade Wow. And apparently this is to illuminate your best features with this long-lasting, vibrant powder without smears, creases, or fading. Perfect as an eyeshadow, highlighter, or lip color. Drop that shit on my hand. Oh my God. What the fuck is that? Not gonna lie, as an eyeshadow, that could be pretty. That's really pretty. There's no way I could use this as anything else. Oh, maybe a highlighter. There is a beautiful like pink to pearl reflect. Okay, you know what? I know I was talking shit. I know I was. By the way, this feels like I'm doing fucking drugs. So I'm like,
just a little bit more, just a bump.
All right, this is actually kind of pretty. I could put this on my eyes. Am I really gonna reach for this all that much? I don't know, considering this is kind of a pain in the ass and I don't really fuck with loose shadows all that much, but you know what? Let's see how it looks on the eye. I'll report back, but that's not bad. That's really pretty. Could I use it as a highlighter? Yeah, no fucking way. No fucking way. Oh, maybe. Maybe if it was Halloween. And last, but certainly not least, this is from the brand Labcoast, and this is the Pearl Sleeping Cream Spout. And this is a full-size product. This retails for $6, which, you know, makes sense. This kind of reminds me of those, whatever, you know, those fucking kids yogurt juice things that they sell in Starbucks, you know what I mean? When I used to be in the city all the time, and I was always stuck behind, like, some woman who had, like, 6 kids and, like, 3 strollers, she'd always be like,
Bradford, definitely go get your vanilla yogurt.
And they would always, like, grab some bullshit like this. Anyway, that's what it reminds me of. And yes, kids are always named Bradford, especially in Midtown East.
Bradford, Bradley, Parker.
I could keep going. Anyway, this is a 2-in-1 formula that brightens, tones, and exfoliates your skin overnight for a smooth and even complexion in the morning. Apparently, you apply this evenly across the face as the last step of your nighttime skincare routine, and then you cleanse in the morning. So that's interesting. I would be interested to try that. That sounds kind of cool. Considering my skin has been so dry lately, I've been really utilizing a lot of sleeping masks, and because my skin is so dry, I have nothing to fucking clean off in the morning. Anyway, so that's that. You know what was worth it? This box. I'm not gonna gonna lie, because this box is fucking everything and I'm obsessed with it. I really wish the products inside the box were as cool as this, but alas, it wasn't. I think the only thing I'm super excited about is probably between the moisturizer and this fun little sleeping mask, and maybe potentially the fucking shampoo and conditioner. Actually, this wasn't bad. This was kind of pretty. This, I refuse to believe this is fucking $71. Like, that's insanity. So, I mean, let's just say my dick's not hard, okay? Like, it's okay. Like, whatever. Anyway, but with that said, I want to say thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this my way. I really appreciate it. Thank you for allowing me to be open and honest in my reviews. And I hope to get another box next month. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, like I mentioned before, if you are interested in ever checking out Glossybox, I do have a code. Use the code Theresa and you can get your first box for $16. Please note, I do not make any commission off these codes. They're just for you to save some money. And with that said, I want to hear from y'all. Let me know if you get Glossybox and if this is the variation you got or if you got something different. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for everything, for being adorable and delicious and lovely and delicious and adorable and delicious. Can I keep going? Sure, I'll just keep repeating myself several times. Thank you so much for keeping this disgusting garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do it without you. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, which is Hello Taco, by the way, but if you want to know, everything will be listed in the description box along with my podcast, which there is a new episode of the recap of Harper's Island if you want to listen to that, and a description to my merch if you feel so inclined. And with that said, I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye. I still can't figure out what's the best way to say bye. I'm just gonna squeeze your melons, and there's nothing you can do about it. Jazz hands.